Welcome to Aerovoltz 101. When you plug in your Aerovoltz Smart Charger, it'll come up LIFE charge, 3 amps at 13.2 volts with a 4S next to that. 4S is critical because all of our batteries are wired in a 4S series combination of 4 cells to equal the 13.2 volts. With your Aerovoltz charger hooked up to a battery, we have a 16 cell here in the video with a balanced cable and the positive and negative hooked up. We're ready to walk through the charging process. So the first thing you do is go all the way to the right to the start enter button, hold that down for a few seconds. It's going to test the battery, make sure it's got enough voltage to charge. If it's below usually 8 volts, it won't let you charge it. If that's the scenario, then you need to put it on a standard battery charger to bring it up to at least 9 volts, maybe even 10 sometimes, to try to let the smart charger balance charge it back up or charge it back up. So in this mode, we're just in the standard charge mode. We're going to hold that button down again, test the battery, and we're going to hit the start button, and she's charging. So now you can see the voltage all the way to the right, in the top right. We have an elapsed time on the bottom, and the amperage next to that, and the lithium 4S here on the side. All the Aerovoltz chargers are pre-programmed at the factory before we ship them out to customers, so everything should be ready to go. If you do have any questions, just give us a holler at 336-688-4784, and we can help you with the technical side of that. So that's the standard charge mode. If you have the balance cable hooked up to the battery and the charger, you can toggle between the standard charge mode and this view so that you can see the cell packs. So we can see 3.35, 3.35, they're all 3.35. So this battery is in perfect harmony, fully charged, fully balanced, ready for optimal starting power. So with an unmatched power to weight ratio. And then to toggle back to overall voltage, we just go back there. The smart charger will automatically turn off once it feels that the battery is 100% charged, and that could be anywhere from 13.5 to 14.5 volts. It won't go over 14.5, it'll turn off because you'll start damaging the lithium iron phosphate chemistry once you get up that high. So that's some of the problems with an older standard charger. They'll just continue to put power into the battery because they're very, very low resistance. So that's just your standard charge mode. And to stop that, just hit the stop button and that'll stop it. And that's your standard charge.